Hey, ciao Luca, wow.
Nice to see you.
Yes, yes, and welcome to Lindau to Espresso TV studio. And yeah, thank you for the nice poster.
You're welcome.
I think as a background it really looks nice, especially bringing in focus your new espresso machine, the Solar. And I think it's the new model is with heat exchanger,
yes.
PID, shot counter, main water connection, water tank.
Everything. This is our, as you said, Marcus, exactly. This is our new heating exchanger model with the E61 group and PID. Let's say the news we propose with this machine are structural news and also functional news. We have the PID with the shot timer, as you announced, and the machine, it's the frame of the machine, it's all in stainless steel 304, so it's very resistant, very strong.
Nice.
No painting on the frame.
Yeah, nice, okay. Nice, wow. And this screw here is in case of a main water connection.
All the machine can be plugged to the main water supply or used with the water tank. So in case you want to plug to the discharge, to the water discharge, you can remove this nut and using the elbow, using discharging by here, there is an elbow that discharge into the drain. Okay, you remove the nut. And here there is the elbow to plug the pipe.
So here.
This machine have a professional grade rotary pump, so it's very silent. The rotary pump and the motor are underneath the machine. Please.
Yeah, I just want to make a sound check.
Okay, and together with the low noise, we have a better extraction because the pump is a professional grade pump, and the consistency in pressure it's very accurate. The pressure, very consistent. Beside that, we make those new adjustable feet that can be adjusted in order to put the machine in the proper level and to avoid to have coffee coming out just from one spout.
Oh, okay, cool. So that it's also adjustable horizontally.
Exactly.
Looks a little bit like the feet of the Victoria.
Exactly, like the professional machine. Because at the end of the day, many times the bar, the table where you install the machine is not in a flat position, you will see the coffee coming out just from one spout. So you can level the machine according to the environment where you install the machine.
Nice. Yeah, for example, here, this one is a wooden box of espresso machine, so it's also not 100% horizontal, and therefore it's always nice to be able to adjust.
Exactly.
Cool. Wow.
Exactly. What else? We give some other small feature, like we have a drainage of the boiler in case you switch off the machine for a long time. Underneath the machine there is a manual tap by which you can drain the boiler to avoid
it's maybe visible here.
Yeah, is it visible?
Yeah.
From there.
It's
This one.
So this one here.
You can empty the boiler and to avoid leaving the water in the boiler for a long time.
And here is for the main water connection, right?
Yes, this is the main water connection plug that can be adjusted in position according to the inlet pipe.
And you know what I really like here is that there is the word tank, and when I switch around, then it's here net. Net means main water.
Exactly.
And tank means water tank.
Exactly.
Super cool. Nice.
Exactly.
Nice.
As you can see, also underneath the machine, everything, all the chassis is in stainless steel. No problem of rust. This machine, it's supposed to be a long-lasting machine.
And in case you want to empty the water tank, or when the water tank is empty, what happens? PID switches off, or?
If you want to remove the water tank, the PID switch off, but here, as you can see, it's very easy to remove the cup warmer cover.
Yeah.
And with the jug you can fill.
Yeah, so here the water tank is...
in case you remove the water tank, there is a safety that in few seconds switch off the PID. Switch off the PID and consequently the heating of the machine to protect the element.
Yeah, nice.
There is the sensor, it's a proximity electronic sensor, so we have no probe inside the boiler.
Yeah. What means it, no probe inside the boiler?
You doesn't have screws or any other metallic part, sorry, not inside the boiler, inside the tank. You
okay, yeah.
You doesn't have any screws or any metallic things inside the water tank.
Good.
That can be rust or can have some light scale on it.
Yeah.
Okay. And the boiler, it's a 2-liter boiler. It's fast heating and you have a very good temperature stability.
Nice, and also here the backside is also super nice. I really like the old logo.
Now, since we start with the last model Aria and now we are restyling all our model, we are put our heritage logo, that is the original Sforza logo that you have on the Castle of Milan.
Yeah.
And this was the logo that my great-grandfather used to use on his product. Wow. So we use the original logo. So we are changing, and this is the sign of the new product. All the new product will have this.
Cool. It means old is new. Cool. In matter of design, okay. And so also here the logo is now differently.
Exactly. We put it also on the coach.
Here and here. And now, Luca, I'm slowly getting curious about the taste of espresso.
Now we're gonna shoot a coffee with our Sole. I want also to show you our new items, our new accessory for the coffee machine, for the home barista. We have a leveler that allow to make a flat level, perfect flat level of coffee into the filter holder in order to avoid the channeling.
And sorry, Luca, may I disturb? It's height adjustable, right?
Yes, you have a screw here in the middle that you can use to regulate the deepness of the leveler.
Okay, super.
It's adjustable. You can adjust for single, double, or any filter that you're gonna use.
Nice.
Because this tool doesn't have to press the coffee; you just have to make a flat level. After to press, you have to use the press, the tamper, and together with this one, we propose also the spreader. The spreader is also adjustable, so you have screws by which you can adjust the deepness of those tooth. The purpose of this item is to spread better the coffee powder into the filter holder, avoiding to have space in between the powder, space where there is air, and during the coffee extraction you will have a sort of, let's say, channeling, or anyhow not a smooth flow of coffee from your filter holder. This tool is especially important if you use the naked filter holder, because if you doesn't have if it doesn't press accurately the coffee into the filter holder with the naked filter holder, you risk to have a spray of coffee on your coffee machine. With this item, you avoid to have such kind of a problem.
Okay, so it minimizes the mistakes.
Exactly. Cool. It has also on its base, it has a brush to clean this tooth. Okay, so It's
really nice and also heavy in the weight and good manufactured. So
yes, if someone complain about the coffee, you can use it as a weapon.
yeah. Wow, a small pincher. Huh? Okay, cool.
Now we shoot an espresso coffee with our machine. We are using our manual BB005 grinder, and we have this new drawer that is suitable just for the grinder. So it's a small drawer. It's very, let's say, easy to install because it's small. You doesn't need to have a big bar. You have some hole to clean the coffee powder and to exhaust the humidity that you have into your
that's
coffee.
good. Yeah, really good.
Into your coffee dust.
Wow. So let me check with the scale if it's on 0 or not. Wait, stop, bum, bum. Yeah. So 0. Cool.
Okay.
Let's start.
Let's start.
Oh yeah. How many grams we want to use?
We want to use 18 grams.
Okay.
Okay, it's almost 18 grams. We just put a little.
Yeah, nice.
Okay.
Cool.
Now we use the spreader.
Yep.
As you can see, the tooth of the spreader have moved all the coffee powder in order to avoid to have air chamber in the middle of the powder. And now we go with the lever without pressing the coffee to make a perfect flat surface.
Super nice. Wow.
Once we have created the flat surface, we can dump the coffee with 20 kg.
Yeah, nice.
Pressure.
Yeah, then remove a little bit.
Powder.
Yeah.
We flush a little bit the machine. And then we are ready.
Wow, and really super silent. Wow.
As you can see, we have the shot timer that tells us how many seconds we use to brew our coffee.
Nice, nice.
The shot should take almost between 20 to 25 seconds.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
And
that's a flow rate, I think, more or less of 1 to 3, huh?
yes, this is the average.
Yeah, wow, cool. Ah, nice.
Salute.
Salute. Ah, good.
Amazing.
Good.
Very good.
And in case somebody likes to adjust the temperature, it's like pressing with the two fingers.
And you can adjust. Wait.
Or it's here with the left side, with the left
like
side.
This,
and then you can adjust the temperature.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay.
And after there is another program to change from Celsius to Fahrenheit.
Yeah, okay. But in general, you just change when you put with on the minus button one finger and then on the plus button.
But this PID, it's new compared to the old PID we used to install. You have the white digit, the shot timer, Celsius and Fahrenheit. This is the, let's say, the menu for the user.
Yeah, nice.
Of course, after you have the offset setting that are something for the technician.
Yeah. Offset you don't need to change normally.
You don't need to change it. And the very important thing, there is a small dot on the low corner. It shows you when the heating element is activated. When the small dot is not blinking, it means that the coffee machine is in temperature, or in any case, the heating element is not working, is not heating up.
So it means there is, that's really cool. There is no more this clicking of the presso start, which makes a lot of noise, and it's more precise.
Exactly. When you have the PID thermostat, you do not have any mechanical thermostat with a mechanical contact that make noise, but you have a solid state relay.
Yeah.
So the mechanical relay is not present, the electrical relay doesn't make any noise, and it lasts longer.
Oh.
As you can see, the hook of coffee, it's dry and it's well extracted.
Super. So maybe I'm also interested in the steam quality of the machine.
I know you are a latte art champion.
No, latte art spastic, that's different.
I remember this word.
Yeah.
Talking about steam, we believe the steaming capacity of this machine is very good. It's suitable for home use, but it's extremely easy to steam once you practice a little.
Okay, let's see. So, of course, there is good to have pitchers and milk, of course. And then maybe we can use now the bottomless filter holder. What do you think?
Okay.
For a test, then it gets really advanced. Now I take a cappuccino cup, the cup of Frank Zappa, okay, with the King Chino. So that's really nice. So about the milk, I mainly use bio milk, full milk, with at least 3% of fat. Or protein, I mean protein.
The most important things are the protein, a good foam.
Yeah.
So 3% it's a good it's a good content of protein. Now, as I told you, we use all our extraction tools to have a smooth flow during the extraction with the naked filter holder.
Haha, nice. Tamping, any special trick by the tamping?
You have to tamp flat. You doesn't have to tamp with the angle, because when you tamp with the angle, you always have a channeling and you extract one part of the pouch and the other part of the pouch is not extracted correctly.
Wow, now it's getting tricky. then we have to see how it's going. Oh yeah, I'm really curious. Oi, wow, looking nice, Wow, Luca, super.
No secret, first trial, first shot.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
So I'm now here with the latte art attempt. It's my first attempt with this machine. Now it's getting hot, so I have to stop. And of course now to clean the steam tip. The steam one, is it cold touch?
The steam one are all cool touch. You can touch it without any problem. Of course the tip is never cool
hot.
Touch.
Yeah.
But the wand is not hot.
Okay, cool. So now I can try my best. The persons who are interested, they can come here middle of April, the 22nd and 23rd of April. There I have a Polish girl, Agnieszka, and
famous.
And she's a 2 times world barista champion, and she knows how to do this.
I met Agnieszka in Taiwan at the Coffee Mood Spirit final, where we were supporting our Marco Poidomani, our champion.
Yeah.
Wow, Marcus.
For a latte art spastic, it's quite okay.
Bravissimo.
And especially with the cappuccino you see here. The guitar player having a small slapstick and having a little fart, that's the R.
Because of the milk of a
I think so. So you want to try?
Stomach works, no thank you.
Okay, I do, I test, okay?
I'm a little bit intolerant to milk, thank you.
So maybe then next time we do with Brunello or something.
Yeah. We grappa, we put some grappa.
Yeah, grappa. Yeah, super cool. Wow, nice.
So I believe
Nice machine, nice.
it's so easy to pull a shot with this machine with the professional feature on a compact body.
Yeah.
We did it everything at the first time, and I hope people can enjoy it.
And the boiler is insulated, or?
The boiler is insulated, and once again I insist that our boiler are in copper. Copper is the best material to keep the heat and to reduce the consumption of power, because when you heat up copper, it really keep the temperature that you give it to him, and it become cold. It doesn't become cold very fast, like stainless steel or other material. It's very healthy because copper doesn't release any nickel or any other components that you can find in stainless steel.
Okay, cool. There is always pro and cons, good side, bad side. I mean, companies like Kimberly, they changed to stainless steel of the boiler material.
This is our idea. I mean, on the other side, copper is used for most of the boilers. We really strongly believe the copper is better, but of course, other companies have other policy. Thanks God we have different idea, different
yes, otherwise everybody would look the same.
Exactly.
Then we have only clones, and that's not so funny. So just, wow, really powerful.
Yeah, but by reducing the temperature of the PID, you can also reduce the steaming, because the PID influences directly the temperature into the boiler. This machine has a thermosyphonic circulation, so by reducing or increasing the temperature into the boiler, you influence the brewing temperature. So
and also the steam capacity.
And also
if you
the steam
like
capacity.
to have more steam power, then just increase a little bit the temperature. If you have more cappuccino, then you can go to 93, 94, 95 degree, up to...
for a home use, if you use such a kind of jug, you doesn't use bigger jug, I think the steaming capacity is more than enough. If you are in between 92, 94 degree, it's perfect.
Cool. Wow, so then we do in the next video the unboxing of the machine.
Let's go.
And the black is really nice, I like it.
It comes full colored in black, green, like army green, white, or we have the total stainless steel machine, and we will do the unboxing with our stainless steel version.
It's, which kind of paint is it?
This is powder painting.
Ah, cool. Super nice, because it looks quite stable.
Yes, it's a black matte, it's very stable. We doesn't paint inside the drip tray, because otherwise you risk to have a problem at the painting. So this drip tray is made in two parts. One is painted, the other one is stainless steel for your four, and after they are stick together when this part is already painted.
Wow, nice. Super cool, chaga.
Thank you, Marcos.
So now unboxing.